Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. Today I am going to show you how a person has earned over $40,000 with this simple trick. If you know the strategy, you can earn thousands of dollars each month just by doing this simple task. First, I am going to show you the person who has earned this income, and later on I will show you a simple software that could make your life a lot easier. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, becoming an entrepreneur, and different digital marketing concepts. If you wanted to get similar types of video, consider subscribing this channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. Now let's move to the platform, that is Fiverr.com. And Fiverr is a very popular platform where you could find services for $5, $10, or even hundreds of dollars. If you move to the Fiverr.com, you could see that there are different types of categories out there on which you can find different types of services. You could even buy your services, or if you have a skill, you can even sell your services. If you type on Fiverr ebook design, then you could see that there are different types of gigs out there which are providing ebooks design services, and this category is really populated, as you are seeing that 1000 plus reviews, 523 reviews, 215 reviews, 1000 plus reviews. So a lot of people are making money with this ebook designs. Or even if you search Fiverr on ebook formatting, then still you will find lot of sellers who are making some good money on the Fiverr with ebook formatting, like 561 reviews, 111 reviews, 582 reviews, 215 reviews. Now let's look at the gig that I am talking about. The gig name is I will design book covers, interior layout, and ebook conversion. Basic gig for $55, $95 for standard, premium for $150. This guy has completed 518 orders and 8 orders are currently in queue. Just bring out the calculator here. 518 are the people who have actually given the review. As per my experience, 50% of the people are actually give you the review in Fiverr. It means if we multiply by this, then we can reach the actual figure. These are the, you can just assume that this is the actual figure. And the amount, if you just look at the basic, standard, and premium, just currently I am taking the basic figure, multiply 55. Now this guy has earned nearly $56,000. However, Fiverr charges the 20% fee, so we just take the 80% of this amount. It means $45,000 with this one gig. Over 40,000, just that I have shown you on the title of the video. Over $40,000 with this simple gig. Again, 518 orders, multiply by 2, because 50% of the people actually give the review on Fiverr as per my experience, and I have just taken the 55 value. To be more accurate results, I need to multiply this amount by the $95 because this is the average amount. However, I have taken the lowest amount just to make sure that you will get the lowest figure. And what this person is selling for $55, he is just cover only, print ready, full cover file, front, back, spine. $95 standard, interior only, print ready, interior PDF, plain text, no images. And you can even read is further description here what this guy is selling this service, and these are the designs he is selling. And even you could see for more gigs here, I have just gathered more gigs here. I will do ebook formatting, ebook design for PDF, EPUB, LED magnet, Kindle, basic for $30, $80 and $130. One more gig, I will do ebook formatting, ebook format for Kindle, EPUB, CreateSpace, lead magnet. Just you can find lot of different people who are selling this type of service, and if you wanted to sell similar type of service and want to make thousands of dollars each month, then this is the software that it is known as Scribble.com. The website is Scribble.com and the software name is Scribble. If you move to the Scribble, then you can see that generate ebooks on demand with new technology, create amazing ebooks and reports in 5 minutes without typing a word. Now just move downward. The easy to use, over 50 plus templates, 60-second creation, create amazing books, reports and white paper in minutes. Just this software will create the book in 60 seconds. Instant content, you even do not need to write your content. You can just use their automated content engine and you are good to go. You will also get commercial license so that you can sell those ebooks at a price to your customers. Access to the agency website, and this is the sample video. Just going to show you how this system or how this software work. So just pausing this video, you can just move to this website and can easily see this video. If you just move downward, then I'm going to show you further features about this website. There are 3 simple steps you need to undertake for creating stunning ebooks, reports and white papers. Step 1, pick a template. There are over 50 plus templates out there in different profitable niche categories, and these are the templates. You are seeing that it looks awesome. And in step 2, add instant content. There are 3 options. You can also fill your ebook with a selection of 1000 instant niche articles from our built-in content engine at a push of a single button. So here you are using their instant niche articles that are already preloaded in this software. Or you can upload your own Word file, then sit back as Scribble automatically extracts the content from the document and put it straight into your ebook. Like you can add your Word file and the Scribble will do the task for you. The third is feeling creative. Start from the scratch and write content yourself, or copy and paste content directly into your pages instead. So these are the options you can use for putting up your content. And in step 3, customize and publish. Pick a color theme and customize, then add, delete, edit pages, headline, images, paragraphs, text blocks, dividers, buttons and links, features, bullet list or call to action areas. These are just simple steps you need to undertake, and at the end of this your output will be ready. That is super eye-catchy and excellent ebook in the form of these. These are further you are seeing different types of features, and you can just look at automatic content, automatic table of contents, automatic headers and footers, automatic page numbering, drag and drop technology, fully customizable, add unlimited pages, add design elements, and there are lot of features that Scribble are offering to the people. You will also get a commercial license, and so that you can sell your ebooks to your customers. Client management dashboard, and but how do you get clients? You can clients on the Upwork, like you can search for ebook formatting, and you can just work for different people. You can get hired them on Craigslist, you can get them on marketing forums, you can get customers on the LinkedIn, you can get customers on the Fiverr, you can get them on the Facebook groups. There are a lot of people who are looking for ebook formatting, their ebook designs and ebook writing. These are the different testimonials, and these are the recap of what you will get. All in one Scribble software, 50 unique ebook template, 15 very hot niche categories, automatic content, and these are a lot of different options that you're going to get with this software. But keep remember that this software is not free, and if you wanted to get this software is currently offering for $67. However, if you use this coupon WONK, you will further get a discount of $20, and your price now reduces to $47. And this software offers much more than the $47, and you can just earn with 1 or 2 gigs, and you have recovered your cost of investment in this software. After that, it is you're full of profit with this software, and it offers so much benefit that you can change your life with this software. The author or the creator of this software is Adil Chaudhary, who is a 7-figure internet marketer, and he has been featured on different platforms out there, and very popular guy online. If you wanted to get this software, I have mentioned the link in the description box, and you can get $20 discount after putting up this coupon Wonka, and you can get this software for $47. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.